In this video, we're going to show you how to install the battery in your Ford Taurus located under your hood. With the hood open, go ahead and locate your ground terminal on your battery using a 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen this nut right here. Loosen that and pull it off and set it aside. Now on the positive terminal here, we're going to use an 8mm socket to loosen this nut. Go ahead and grab that terminal, twist it off, and set it aside. On our battery hold down, we have two J studs here with 10mm nuts. Use your deep socket. And then lift that up and out. Go ahead and lower that battery down in a position. Grab your brace. Do want to make sure that the battery is lined up so that the brace goes between the two caps. I'm going to go ahead and get these two nuts started. Now when tightening these down here, you want to tighten them down evenly. You don't want this to be too tight. You don't want to crush the battery. You just want it to be snug where this isn't jiggling around anymore and securing the battery in place. Install a positive terminal on the battery. I want to go ahead and snug this down. You want to tighten this down here. You want to make sure that it's snug. Grab that terminal, give it a little jiggle. You want to make sure that this is not spinning on the post. Ours is good. Grab that ground terminal, slide that over. Make sure that's twisted all the way down. Go ahead and snug this down. Now I'm using a hand ratchet. You don't want to over tighten these here. Using power tools is going to be easier to do that. So snug that down and then give that a twist. Make sure that's good and secure. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.